And we are here at Anakeesta right now. This is a little update. Looks like this other part, before you had to wait here in this line, it went around and you went up there. It looks like apparently now it's all indoors and closed from this side. Let's see if I can back out a little bit. They are open right now, but I think it's only the Ridge Rambler that you can take. Let's see if I can get a... They have the trading post right here as well. That's kind of cool. So yeah, looks like there's some updates. Oh, they got some freshly poured concrete. They probably had some delays with the really cold weather they had here in Gatlinburg, Anakeesta area. But we are going to go up there and let you know what else we find. Here's a whole shot of the construction. Here, we are currently waiting in line for the Ridge Rambler. I don't know if you can hear that or see this, but storms are coming in quick here in Gatlinburg. Anakeesta. Look at that view. Just don't see that every day. Kind of see the storm clouds coming in right over there too. If you can, be sure to like, subscribe, follow us on this channel. And wow. It's a beautiful day here in Gatlinburg on Anakeesta mountaintop. A lot of the stuff is open. We're still waiting on the new gondola ride. To come up here. They are currently rebuilding it. Oh, they have that whole area closed off too. So maybe I'll do a quick walk over. They're probably trying to block it off and get ready because I know they'd have to expand. I'm a little bummed because there's an ice cream place over here that I really like. Look at that view. This sunset is going to be amazing. But we do have storms coming in, so I'm going to make this video quick because I don't want to be up here with that kind of storm. From what I heard, this is supposed to open in May. Here's a little preview. You see where they're rebuilding where you come up here from. Looks like they're redoing the whole area here, so there should be some interesting things coming up. From what I was just told, they're trying to go for April. That's their goal, or next month. I guess that is April. So used to February. But they're saying the more realistic timetable is about middle of May, so around probably May 15th. So the Ridge Rambler is open from now until that happens, and they're open year-round anyways. And there's still plenty to do here. Oh, lights are turning on. So I just wanted to do a quick little update. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for following us. I'm hoping to not be up here too much longer because I think we have some big storms coming in. So thank you guys for watching and see you at the next video.